morning, good afternoon, everybody. It's about that time again. Prank calls.
Stop it. Get some help.
Featuring Miss Sinus. We're Rudy, unruly. Unruly. Anyway, we're gonna call some people. I will give some trouble. But before we start with it, make sure you bang 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 on that like button down below and support Jamaican YouTuber for sure.
お前はもう死んでいる。何?
Happy Friday to y'all beautiful people. I'm ready with another bang. It's a banger, man. I'm ready. Miss Sinus, you ready? Cause I'm ready. Yeah. Oh, yeah, today's Friday the 13th. Crisis day. But anyway, yeah, I'm ready. So let's get right into it. Now.
Please leave your message for 6.
We're not get them.
Oh, God.
Alright, so we're gonna try somebody else. You go and stay.
We are gonna try.
Hmm? You know me, I go try, man. Problems, you know.
We are gonna see.
So where's my groceries? My things them my here says you take my things them.
Hello?
My here say you take my things them and my groceries them there.
You have the wrong number.
Me not have the wrong number you take you me here say take my groceries them and my things them.
Bruh.
Now you on here where?
Why you do it, John Crow?
Hello, sir. Don't say me have the wrong.
I think you have the wrong number.
Alright, grandma. I'm gonna call you Ochi here.
Hello?
Hello, good afternoon. Is this Maxine Henry?
Yes, this is Maxine.
Okay, I don't want to tell you my name is Rampage and I got a vision and the spiritual solace and I got something to tell you. Plenty of good things is going to happen in your life.
Pardon me?
My name is Rampage. I'm a spiritualist and I don't want to tell you that plenty of great things are about to happen in your life.
Okay.
Yeah, the first thing I want to tell you, just to double confirm that that I know plenty of things about you. You're Jamaican, aren't you, eh?
Yes.
Okay, you're originally from Sentan, eh? Hello?
Yeah. You know a lot.
Yes, I know a lot, plenty of things, eh? I know, eh? I even know your work, but I'm not going to tell you and change none of that with you. The first thing I want to tell you is great things is about to happen, eh?
Where do I work?
Oh, let me focus my chi and tell you something. I know, it's okay, I just saw it. You work at... Am I not right? Hello, Maxine. I got that right, eh?
Uh-huh.
I know. I know also. Yeah, just pick it up in my spirit that you have 3 beautiful children. Am I not right?
Uh-huh.
Yes, I know. Originally, your home is near. Your home is near. Your home in Jamaica is near. And we are originally based in America. I know. I'm trying to harness the chi. Let me call upon the carry gods. Okay, I get the plenty of things, eh? I have something else to tell you. You have a daughter living with your relative or something like that.
Grandma! Make you Grandma!
Me link up my dog, them funny bad drunk. Me silk up a strap, I'm a fire some. Boy, happy.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Sherry Sanders in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, we have something to show now. We are at the road today. See Sinus there. The real Ochi. Baby Sinus. Big up yourself. We are on the road today. We're on the
Driving, guys!
and I'm your driver. Who drive? Who drive? Miss Sinus! Miss Sinus!
Yeah?
I have total confidence.
Me, total confidence. Me have total confidence. Who lane friend?
Total confidence. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid.
Oh, you say you're not afraid?
I'm not afraid.
So why your seatbelt and not all on Saturday?
Eh? No,
Seatbelt
because
up
I
on.
stretch
Alright. I'm gonna check in a few. Baby Sinus, I got knock out. But yeah, Miss Sinus, I do our thing. Take your time, my friend. You got this.
Alright.
I'm gonna check in a few for see if we make it alright.
If the vlog will go up, that means we're alright.
Yes, yeah.
Big up yourself, Miss Sinus. Take your time, my friend.
Take your
My
time.
sister friend, me gear a bus.
Yeah, yeah, what? Sit up. Leah, come back here, son.
What's up?
Hello guys, you video?
Yep.
We made it to Ochi, so our friend did it. Let's give her a round of applause.
A round of applause. For the
We're an apprentice.
driver. Don't stop at all. Yes, man, we're there, man. Where are we today, guys?
We're at a secret location, we can't tell you.
Secret location.
Over there.
Over there.
Ochi's real.
We're there, Farrin.
They're looking for these of the looking for.
Yeah. Mine so expire, I mean, if you go renew it.
Me link up my dog, them funny bad drunk. Me silk up a strap, I'm a fire some. Boy, happy.
We know Cheerios. Farrin. So, stop going so? Alright, cool. You know what I mean? Before we go to the next transition, you know more and tell you, they got the bird. They got the bird. Watch it eat. Watch it jump. Watch it eat. Watch it jump. Watch it eat. Watch it. Here she does say a while ago. After me say watch it jump, she said we turn the camera to me. May I go? Oh! I bought my nuts for mama money. Now go home.
Why you doing, John Cross?
Akuma, come here!
Me link up my dog, them funny bad drunk. Me silk up a strap, I'm a fire some. Boy, happy. What?